Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. If you've been hunting for the best bench chest on the market, one that's both stylish and practical, you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing the HOOBRO Toy Box, a retro wooden look storage chest that doubles as an entryway bench, and yes, it earns the title of the best bench chest for your home. Let's get right into what makes this item stand out. This HOOBRO toy box comes in a warm rustic brown color that brings a charming vintage flair to any room. Whether you place it in your hallway, bedroom, or your kids' play area, it blends in perfectly with both modern and farmhouse styles. But don't be fooled by its looks, this isn't just for show. With dimensions of 29.9 inches long, 15.7 inches wide, and 18.9 inches high, it offers a surprisingly spacious storage compartment. You can easily stash away toys, blankets, shoes, or any everyday clutter, keeping your space tidy without sacrificing aesthetics. Now let's talk about one of the best features, safety. The lid is equipped with a safety hinge that ensures a smooth and secure opening and closing action. It prevents sudden slams, making it especially kid-friendly and safe for little fingers. On each side of the box, you'll find sturdy metal rings. These aren't just decorative, they're functional too. They allow you to move the box around with ease, whether you're rearranging your living space or just vacuuming under it. Worried about assembly? Don't be. The HOOBRO toy box is designed with simplicity in mind. Everything you need comes in the box, including clear step-by-step instructions. The average person can assemble it in about 20 minutes or less, with just a screwdriver. What really seals the deal for this bench chest is that it supports up to 220 pounds. So yes, you can comfortably sit on it, whether you're putting on shoes at the front door or just need an extra seat. It's multi-purpose, versatile, and built to last, making it a valuable addition to any part of your home. Use it as a toy chest, storage bench, or even a stylish shoe organizer. It adapts to your needs, while always looking good. To wrap it up, the HOOBRO toy box is more than just storage. Its thoughtful design meets everyday utility, all wrapped in a rustic, retro package. That's why it's earned our top spot as the best bench chest you can buy right now. If you're interested, check out the link in the description for more details. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this review helped you out, hit that like button, and subscribe for more honest product reviews every week. See you in the next one.